Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Hurkman, a makeup artist out here in Los Angeles, and today I'm going to be showing you a daring, bold, purple smoky eye tutorial. So I figured what a better time than when some of us are at home to experiment with bold colors that we've all been wanting to do. So with that said, let's get started. For any cream eyeshadow looks, I like to use a similar cream color underneath the powder eyeshadow. I don't have a cream colored purple eyeshadow, but I do have a purple liquid lipstick, so that's what we're gonna use today as our base. And using a flat synthetic brush, I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. Now with a dense blending brush, buff that line out in the crease so that way you have a more gradient effect going up to your eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using a dense dome brush and spraying that with a little bit of setting spray. And I'm going to be applying this glittery magenta shade right to my eyelid. I'll start softly blending that color up into my crease. Now take a soft, clean blending brush and just buff out those edges to make it really seamless and blended. Now going back to our shimmery color, I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to apply this right underneath my eyelash line. Now let's add some dimension with this eye look. So I'm taking a matte, deeper purple shade with a tight bristled dome brush, and I'm just going to apply this on the ends of my eyes and along my eyelash line, but only from the center of my eye out. Now I'm just going to diffuse that line a little bit to make sure that it's a little bit softer and not too prominent of a line. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to get rid of some of the fallout that I got underneath my eyes. Taking a small powder brush, and I'm going to go in with the powder that I applied under my eyes earlier. And you want to go right underneath the eyeshadow and almost just like flick this off. That way you're not scooping it and potentially rubbing this underneath your eyes. Let's go in and add a little bit more depth with a black kohl eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go very, very tightly to the ends of my eyelash line and almost in this V formation. And using a flat brush, I'm going to diffuse that line out. Let's brighten the inner corners of our eyes. So taking a tiny pencil brush and whatever highlighter is your favorite. So I'm using this one and getting my brush a little bit wet and going in right in the corners of my eyes. So with this eyeshadow look, I'm going to amp mine up a little bit and using a liquid eyeshadow. And this one has a lot of glitter in it. So I'm taking this on the back of my hand and only get a sheer amount of it on my finger. I don't want too much. Going in and just pressing this glitter in the center of my eye. This is gonna help brighten my eye and then just make the eyeshadow look that much more vibrant. Taking a deep plum eyeliner, I'm going to take this right into my waterline, just on the bottom. Now go in with your favorite mascara. All right, and here's the completed bold purple eyeshadow look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can use these tips for any blue eyeshadow, green, orange, you name it, whatever bright, vibrant colors you want to work with. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we will see you next time. Bye.